Hey fam, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl Lizzy Thoms from Eldoret, African, Kenya. In case you're new, karibu sana. So to the fam, asanteni sana, to the support yenye mmenionyesha. Actually it wasn't easy kwa sababu the journey si rahisi. So guys, today I'm here because I want to share with you a story how I started my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel I started because nilikuwa na that feeling of doing it. I was having that passion of doing it. Si ati ni kitu I push myself into it. First and foremost, you should not expect kila msee akusupport, even your family members. Actually, don't expect it. Maybe outside kuna watu watakusupport, lakini don't expect ati ni kila msee atafurahia apende. No. Secondly, unajua you must, yani ni lazima utumie kitu ndio upate kitu. I know lazima utumie maybe let's say bundles. Si rahisi. Maybe you are not an hustler when it's today coming. It's very easy. Si rahisi, I mean. But I thank God for the journey and the mercy. Actually 12 and 100 subscribers, it wasn't easy. In fact, I'll celebrate it soon. So another thing, don't push yourself, let yourself push you. Actually mimi I was having that feeling like sinifungue YouTube, why don't I do this. Then I'm having a sister of mine anaitwa Miriam Mark. Actually akona channel in YouTube pia. Just search Miriam Mark, subscribe his channel, like, share, comment, follow her. I also have one of the best and big amazing person. Actually nimeshinda nikimsumbua. Anaitwa Colena. I'll write the name down below. Manze, follow his channel, subscribe, like, share, comment. Actually is one of the best. Pia amenisaidia sana hapo kwa editing na nini. Bure singejua singeza. So guys, if you want to start your channel, make sure uko na msee atakubackup. At least mmoja wawili. Mimi nilifika to an point I told Lilian, me wacha tu ni delete this account. Akaniambia don't do it. Nikamwambia like I've been trying all my best but vitu zisongi. But my friend akaniambia don't do it. Keep push, keep going. Manze, niliendelea hadi penye nimefikia. Actually, ukianza channel, don't expect unalala uamke uko na 500 subscribers, 300 viewers, 400 comment. Inafika at a point that hadi unatoka nili, nothing. But don't give up. Keep pushing. So mimi nataka ni advice wasenye nataka kuanza channel. Actually na from the bottom of your heart unataka kuanza channel. Just start it. Anza, tutafika tu penye tatufikisha. Me I have nothing but tuendeleni. So kama unataka kuanza tu weanza, just know you will have someone mwenye atakusaidia. Sio kila msee atakuwa anakuangalia like ako. Hapana, everything kwa hii maisha ni kuweka Mungu mbele, from after God, make your things go vile itaenda. So mimi today I wanna say thank you so much, you two ladies. May God bless you, continue support your life. Manze, kazi ya mkono yenu. My subscribers wote kwambia pia nyenye Mungu aendelee kuwazidisha. Kwenye unataka kufungua channel, just open it. We will support you. Tutawasupport. Mimi nitakusupport. Yeah. So I think that's it about my channel, how I started it. Mimi nimekwambia ni kitu nilikuwa nao for long. Nianze. Then my sister keep pushing me. pushing me hadi akanibaya an iPhone so that I can start. Hey manze, thank you so much Miriam. Ni start my YouTube channel hadi nikaanza penye ako happy, so happy kwa sababu aliona like hii ndo my sister anataka keep on, nataka so akaamua kuni support. Actually home, let me say we were 7 but only that one person ndiye anani support. Ananiambia like today you have not posted anything, why don't you do this, why don't you do the rest 5 heads ziko tu, but one day who is God, the miracle will come from heaven manze. I know what I'm after, but still in my blood, the blood that run inside my vein ndiko ndani yao, so I'll help them. So guys, mi nasema tu thank you so much the two of you, Liancolena, Miriam, manze asanteni sana na my subscribers manze, search those two names, search Miriam Mike, subscribe, follow her Instagram page, Facebook, whatever. Liancolena, same Insta, YouTube, Facebook, follow that girl, subscribe her channel. In fact ako na roho mzuri sana. My sister alikuwa ananipush nifanye YouTube but hajui anything concerning editing, but that lady helped me a lot. I'll buy for you something manze. Thank you so much subscribers, thank you so much viewers, muendelee kuni subscribe, like, share and comment. For today nilikuwa nasema tu thank you for those two ladies wenye alifanya nianze my channel. Obviously singeendelea sana kabla sijawashukuru. Thank you so much, may God bless you, bless big bless you ladies. I love you so much.